Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all a travel neck pouch. I got it directly from Amazon. Here's how it will arrive at your doorstep. I did receive this to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. Go ahead and look below in the video description. You can see a link. It'll take you right to Amazon. You can see the most current pricing and read some reviews, see some accurate photos, that sort of thing. Really excited about this. I'm going on a trip in December out of the country, and this will be super helpful to have for all my important documents. So again, it's a travel neck pouch. You can wear it and store it on your body. It has RFID blocking. It has a water-resistant nylon on it, so it can protect your documents like your passport or your cash. If you're going to use any sort of ID cards, your driver's license, that sort of thing, there you go. So here's how it comes packaged. Again, you saw the envelope. There's the front and the back. Looks really cool, pretty good size. It can fit in the palm of your hand. And now let's open it up. I really like it. It's really cool. So it should have 3 pouches for you. 2 zippers right there, and then 1 pouch, 2 pouch, 3 pouch, and a pouch on the back that has a nice adjustable lanyard. So let's just go ahead and see. Okay, I want to store my passport right here. You could. Hey, I want to put my passport further in and be really safe and secure. Look at that. Bingo. Or hey, I'm just, really want to keep it right in here and then have the Velcro on the top. You can do that. But again, what's nice is the Velcro seals both of those pouches, which is really cool. And then if you had, say, your photo ID, your driver's license, that sort of thing, you can put it right in there so it's really visible and easy to see. Wow, this is really nice. This is just a really cool pouch. Again, you got a big spot in the back. If you want to put your passport or other important documents, it fits right in really deep. This is really, really cool, you guys. I haven't even looked at the zippers yet. So here we go. We got a zip pouch on this side and a zip pouch on this side. They do not touch in the middle. I'm putting my hands through and it stops here. This one stops below it. So they're one's on the top and one's on the bottom. So again, you can slide your passport right in, right out. Same thing on this side, right in, right out. You have a lot of different ways to protect yourself. Again, credit cards, debit cards, that sort of thing, from pickpockets, from thieves, or if you just want to keep it all in one unified place, we can go ahead and we can just put some cash. Again, we can put it right in here. If we're nervous, worried, Velcro it up, we're good. Okay, well, hey, I want maybe a couple of bucks in here. Great. I'll put a couple more dollars in this side. Awesome. And a couple more dollars on this other side. So then you can just zip it right up and then shut the Velcro flap and you are all good to go. So this is really cool. Now, before I finish, let's go ahead. Let's take this off and connect it, and then we can see it on my neck. All right, got that side in. And then look, you can wear it on your neck. So that's perfect for me. I wouldn't even adjust it just as is, you can see. So, but again, you can adjust it to a couple of different lengths. You have a lot of slack to work with if you want it really long or you want it shorter up on you. So again, go ahead, just put your important documents in it, have easy accessibility when you need to get them out to show certain people and that sort of thing. So again, this is a really awesome neck pouch. Go ahead, check it out. The link is in my video description below. I really appreciate you guys being here. Ask me any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Hit that like button, hit that sub button if you haven't. I'd love for you to be a part of my channel and my community. And go ahead and sign up for my newsletter as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to check out this item, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.